Kumusta, Atenista? This is Ricky Baizas, Ateneo Grade School 1990 and Ateneo High School 1994. And yes, I am the first cousin of the fabulous Baizas boys, Krippy, Charlie, and Melo. They're probably out there with you celebrating. When I think about my happiest times in Ateneo, I think about the grade school sports fests, the class nights, the field trips, of course, the fair, the Feast of the Holy Guardian Angels. And then in high school, I think about the years I spent in Dulaang Sibol. We performed for the female population of the SEP, or the Summer Enrichment Program. We performed Horacio de la Costa's Two Standards. And of course, every Christmas we would do the Come to the Manger show. I also remember the sabbags and the paligs. Of course, the high school dances are always very memorable. I also think about the Poveda soirees or the parties in Dasma, Corinthian Gardens, and Forbes with the Povedans. But you know what? We can wax nostalgic all day long or until we turn blue about the Pergola, the Rock Garden, David Hall, the EMC, the basketball games we played simultaneously in the grade school courts, our tulong dunong classes, and everything. But you know what? They won't be as special if it weren't for our classmates or the friends that we have made in Ateneo. You know, these friends that we make in school, they are our lifelong friends. If you're like me and I spent 12 years in Ateneo, every day nakakasalubong mo sa corridor yung mga yan, mga nagiging kaklase mo, mga nagiging best friend mo, nagiging barkada mo for life. So, these are like your brothers, na mga nagiging kapatid mo na yan. In fact, when I got here to the States, I leaned on my former classmates from Ateneo Grade School and High School and my batchmates, and they helped me acclimate and settle down here in the States. Some even helped me get job interviews, and even just to hang out and have fun, they kept me company. So I'm very thankful for that, and I'm very grateful for that. And when I think about all these special memories, I think about all my friends, the friends that I have made in Ateneo, who have become lifetime friends and who have become brothers. In fact, when I was in college and I was being invited to join some fraternities, I thought to myself, why would I need to join a fraternity? What better brotherhood exists than the brotherhood that exists between Atenistas? Atenista ako. These guys have my back always. Lastly, I would like to take this opportunity to thank our teachers. We are what we are right now because of them, because of all their sacrifice and all their hard work. We have become successful, happy, healthy, some wealthy, God-fearing individuals. And that is because of all of their work. We were talking about brothers earlier. Our teachers have become our second parents. We spent a lot of time with them in Ateneo, and they really did take care of us and educated us really well. So to all our teachers, thank you for all that you have done for us. Thank you. Thank you.